Hello everyone, I am Sharnali. After a long time I am here. In today's video I am going to share with you all some amazing stationery items. Already I have made a video about not a single video. There are many videos about books I have made. In this video you are going to watch some creative items. If you love creativity, then this video is obviously for you. Stationery item means there are some items that are very much creative and they are also innovative. And you can also use these items to make your room beautiful, make your books beautiful, and make your thoughts beautiful also. So I hope you will enjoy this video. Do you love to decor your bookshelf, or do you love to decor your books? Sometimes we need some colors, we need some creativity, innovation. Sometimes we need some creative items to make our surroundings beautiful. And you know, if the surroundings of you are beautiful, it naturally makes your thoughts beautiful. So if you love to decor your rooms, if you love to make your life colorful, then obviously you have to watch this video till the end. The first item is Camel Student 24 Shades Watercolor. This is really amazing and also very helpful. Its price 108. Pocket friendly. Obviously it's pocket friendly. This is a range of good quality. Obviously this is a non-toxic watercolors in cake form with excellent coloring strength, developed specially for students in attractive palette. These colors are easy to use. And in this color plate there are 24 shades and one brush. We will have one brush and 24 shades of color. I have mentioned, I have attached the photo. You can check this. And the important thing is that you will get all these items in any online shopping sites. Okay, I will mention the link in my description box. Please check the links in the end of this video. Okay, so let's get to the second item. The second item is Factor Note Journal. Factor Note Journal. This is a pack of 2 and its price is 199, but its original price is 300. You will get this in 199 now. You can search it in cactus.grid. Okay, face note journals are crafted beautifully to satisfy all the people, and you will enjoy to write, because it's very easy to write, very smooth, and also very colorful. I think it's colorful. I will mention it. Okay, and it's designed to be your all-purpose notebook at a pocket-friendly price, without compromising on any quality. Okay, you will get this in a pocket-friendly price without any compromising on the quality. There are various types of cover of these notebooks. There are many items, there are various cover. So you can choose with your own needs. Okay. Find a journal that lets you do it all, from jotting down notes and doodling to tracking your days and creating art with factor notes. And it's featured premium grade paper that feels great to feel and write on, obviously, and there are 22 pages, roundless corners and soft cover. I think it's a pleasure to color your thoughts and color your books. And if there are children in your house or anyone's house, I think colors attract their eyes and heart too. So if you have any brother, if you have any sister, you can suggest them also to buy all these products and make their thoughts creative, and so that if they use these colors, these pencils, these sheets, I will mention step by step, you will get all these informations about sheets and papers. And you will mention, if you mention all this to your known people, and if they use, you will never get any bad feedback. Okay, these are really amazing. Use and make people use. Okay, the third number is color highlighter. What is color highlighter? Okay, these designers highlighters are made using German ink technology, which makes the highlighters shine brighter and last longer with 4 hours of anti-dry cap of time. Okay, there are 6 colors, and the price is a little bit expensive. Its price is 439, but these highlighters are so beautiful. If you have in front of you these colors, you will you can't ignore them. You can't ignore those highlighters. And when you use those highlighters in your books, you will get satisfied. You will be satisfied very much by using those highlighters. Okay, so you can buy these for your drawing or other important piece of information. You will never forget them. Mind it, you will never forget them. This is a pack of 6 designer highlighter. Colors are green, orange, yellow, red, blue and pink. There are 6 colors. So the next one is Camlin brush pen. Its price is 189, and there are 12 shades, multicolor shades obviously. These brush pens are similar to watercolors. It contains 12 different shades This pen is an innovative and premium quality product. Flexible brush tip for effortless painting or any other calligraphy or whatever you want. You can use this in your painting, in your calligraphy, in your books, if you want. The next one is Obseco Creative Memo Pad Note. If you don't know what is memo pad, okay, let me explain. Memo pad is a kind of rectangular shape, okay, rectangular shape, and there are many colors of memo pad. If you choose yellow memo pad, suppose you have a yellow memo pad, you can write or you can draw whatever you want. You can draw a quote, you can draw a picture, you can draw a sticker, or you can write here positive thoughts that you want to attract in your life. Then if you want, you can put this in your bookshelf, you can put this in your pencil box, or the most important thing is you can stick this memo pad in the wall. And just imagine if you stick this memo pad in the wall in different colors, in different codes, how much beautiful it will look, isn't it? Just imagine. Imagination is the key of our reality. Just imagine and you will get the vibes of your beautiful room, and automatically it will attract creativity in your life. Listen, if you stay creative, if your thoughts stay creative, you can have a beautiful life. You will have a beautiful life, no doubt is there. Okay. Next point is I mentioned Obseco Creative Memo Notepad. There are 400 sheets of different colors. There are blue, pink, red. You can choose with your own attraction what color you want. Various types of multicolors of papers are there. Okay, its price is 219. Its price is 219. Okay. If you want to make your room innovative, if you want to make your room attractive, then this one is obviously for you. It can make various places more attractive, elegant and stylish. Use for all your to-do lists and reminders. Grab even the busiest person's attention. This is perfect to keep your thoughts updated and make life magical. And you know, this is my magic banquet and I have mentioned that magic is everywhere. So my request is, please buy all these 5 items if you want. And these 5 items I have already attached in my video. And when you check all these items, and I will also mention in my description box all these items link from where you can buy all this. I hope you can't ignore all this, and after buying this, please share your thoughts and share what you feel after using all this. Okay, thank you so much for your love and watching my video. I am really blessed to have you all. We are growing day by day, and please subscribe my channel and let me grow more. Let me count more subscribers. Okay. I'm really happy to come in front of you after a long time. I enjoy when I share my thoughts with you, and I will share more creative items. I will share more creative thoughts with you, so that you can make your life more beautiful. This is my motto. This is my motto of my channel, to make your life beautiful with positive thoughts, positive items, and make your life like a fairyland. Okay, this is Swarnali, and I will be there to share my beautiful items with you. Okay, thank you so much. Please do like, share and subscribe and be with me.